Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Since I am completely new to many of you, at first I should introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Moshir Rahman. I come from Brahmanbaria, one of the districts of Bangladesh. I completed BA Honours and MA in English in the Department of English from the Islamic University at Kustia in Bangladesh. I also studied on English language in the Department of English from Dhaka University at Dhaka in Bangladesh. One important point to note here, please don't try to copy the book for any commercial purpose because there is copyright here. This video is done only for the welfare of the students. Okay, let's start. Now I am going to teach you about clause, which is very important for learning English. Dear students, don't skip the video, let any important point should be missed here. Clause. Clause is a group of words which contains a subject and finite verb. What is subject and what is finite verb? The verb, the verb which has no ing at the ending of it, or to at the beginning of it, or any auxiliary verb is finite verb. For example, he likes to write a letter. The verb like is a finite verb, okay, because it has no ing at the ending of it, or to at the beginning of it, or any auxiliary verb. Okay. Clause is of three kinds: principal clause, subordinate clause, coordinate clause. What is principal clause? The clause which is completely free and is able to express its meaning without depending on other clause. For instance, everyone likes the girl because she speaks the truth. This is everyone likes the girl. Look at the example. Everyone likes the girl. This is a clause because here we find subject and finite verb. Everyone is subject, like is finite verb. For this reason, it is a clause. What kind of clause it is? It is principal clause because this clause is able to express its meaning without depending on others. If I cut the part of the sentence, because she speaks the truth, okay, it is able to express its meaning. Everyone likes the girl. It is completely free. Another clause, subordinate clause. What is subordinate clause? The clause which is not completely free and is unable to express its meaning without depending on principal clause. To express its meaning, it needs to depend on principal clause. For example, everyone likes the girl because she speaks the truth. Okay, because she speaks the truth. It is a clause because a group of words, there is a group of words, okay, getting together and has subject and finite verb. She is subject and speak is finite verb. For this reason, this is a clause. What kind of clause it is? It is subordinate clause because this clause is unable to express its meaning because she speaks the truth. Okay. The whole clause is because she speaks the truth. Because she speaks the truth, it is unable to express its meaning. It is not completely. If principal clause helps it, okay, it will be complete. Principal clause is everyone likes the girl. Okay, everyone likes the girl because she speaks truth. Okay, it is now it is completely clear. Okay. Subordinate clause is of three kinds: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. What is noun clause? The clause which does the work of a noun is a noun clause. For instance, I know where he lives. Look at the example. Where he lives. Here three words getting together has a subject and finite verb. The subject is he, finite verb is lives. For this reason, it is a clause. What kind of clause it is? It is noun clause, because this clause is working here, okay, as an object after the verb know. Another example, I know who has done the work. Who has done the work is an example of a clause, because these 5 words getting together has subject and finite verb. Okay. For this reason, this is a noun clause. This clause is used after the verb know. It is an object of this sentence. We think that he is honest. That he is honest. This is also a noun clause, because this clause is used after the verb think. It is object of a verb think. Adjective clause. What is adjective clause? The clause which does the work of an adjective. For instance, I know the place where he lives. Look at the example, where he lives. This is a clause. Okay, in this sentence, this clause has been used as an adjective clause, because this clause is used after the antecedent. Okay, what is antecedent? Antecedent, placing near. Whenever anything is used before relative pronoun, okay, it is considered to be antecedent, placing very near. Okay, the place is antecedent here. Where he lives is a clause, and this clause is used after the antecedent. For this reason, it is an adjective clause. In the same way, I know the boy who has done the work. This is also a clause, because there is subject and finite verb here, and this clause has been used after the antecedent boy. It is also an adjective clause. We can tell the time when he will come. When he will come. Okay, it is a clause. What kind of clause it is? It is an adjective clause, because this clause is used after the antecedent, the time. Okay. Adverb clause. The clause which is used, okay, as an adverb in the sentence is an adverb clause. Okay, look at the example. I shall go where he lives. Where he lives. Where he lives is a clause, because the 3 words getting together has subject and finite verb, and this clause is used here as an adverb. I shall go where he lives. Okay, this clause is used as after the intransitive verb. Okay, he will help if you come. He will help if you come. This is the example of an adverb clause, because it means condition. If condition is meant in any sentence, okay, it is considered as an adverb. Though she is poor, she is happy. This is also an adverb clause. Okay, though she is poor, she is poor. We find here subject and finite verb. For this reason, it is a clause. And what kind of clause? It is a subordinate clause, and in the subordinate clause we find 3 types: noun, adjective, and adverb. It is adverb clause. You can indicate, or you can fix a clause as subordinate. The clause which is started with double step words or any conjunction can be considered to be subordinate clause. Which are the double step words, double step question words: who, whom, whose, which, where, why, when এগুলো these words are WH question words, and whenever any clause is started with WH question word or any conjunction, you can consider them to be subordinate clauses. Okay. Coordinate clause. The same kind of clause connected with coordinating conjunction is called coordinate clause. What are coordinating conjunctions? And, or, but, therefore, not only, but also, neither, nor, either, or. For instance, he prayed for me and I thanked him. He prayed for me, this is principal clause, and I thanked him is also principal clause. And same kind of clauses are connected here. She helped them, but they dishonored her. There are two clauses here, and they are connected with coordinating conjunction like but. Okay, dear students, thank you very much for watching the video with rapt attention. Please subscribe the channel for finding the videos one after another immediately. Thank you. Keep well. Allah Hafiz.